Genome India project in Northeast India launched at the Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development, Takyal. Kairao MLA Laurembam Rameshwar categorically states that the BJP-led government in the state will not remain a mute spectator to any issues relating to the integrity of the state. JCILPS to hold public convention in the first week of next month with the participation of leaders of all communities in the state. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee holds a 2-hour-long meeting with the state government on the inclusion of Meitei in the Scheduled Tribe list, demands the government to make a clear stand. And Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur comes down heavily against the naming of Manipur University Hostel after Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Hello viewers, you're watching Impact News and this is Primetime English News with me Priyo Bartha, and now the news in detail. Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development IBSD Takyal, in collaboration with the Indian Institute of Science Bengaluru, launched Genome India project in Northeast India at the institute today. This was attended by scientists from Indian Institute of Science IISC Bangalore LV Prasad, I Institute LVPEI Hyderabad, Rajiv Gandhi Center for Biotechnology RGCB Trivandrum, Institute of Life Sciences ILS Bhubaneswar, National Institute of Biomedical Genomics NIBMG Kalyani, and many other institutes of the country. Director of Imphal-based Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development IBST, Professor Dinabandhu Sahu said, the Northeast India is not only amongst the top 10 biodiversity hotspots of India, it is also an interesting place to study human diversity. The people of Northeast India have many things which are unique, and the genetic diversity of the people are not well understood. People spend huge amounts of money for their medical treatment and are thus left with very little money for household expenses. In addition to that, all that's related health issues are an additional burden. This burden can be reduced by personalized medicine, which can be achieved by use of the genetic information. Founder, chairperson of a Center for Brain Research, Indian Institute of Science, IISc Bangalore, and former director, National Brain Research Center, Haryana, who is the brain behind this initiative, Professor Vijayalakshmi Ravindranath, said, the mapping and understanding of the human genome in the country, particularly in the northeastern region, which has over 220 ethnic groups living in very diverse topographies, will have tremendous applications in understanding not only the genetic origins of the different ethnic groups, but would lead to an increased understanding of the genetic disease burden, which would help in the development of personalized medicine. Co-founder and executive vice chairman of Infosys, Chris Gopalakrishnan, contributed 225 crores for this initiative.
The most important aspect is how, sitting in the Northeast, we do not have all the technology with us, but what we have, a wealth of information, different types of culture. This is our strength. So how we can convert this strength and integrate that with the modern science, and that's a big challenge. We want to show the world that here in the Northeast we are no less, and where Genome India project will put the Northeast into a different map to get out of this research, that after few years when the genetic analysis is done, you will have to have a chip here. Put into the computer, the whole data history will be there. Right now we are all depending on different types of prescription, go to the doctor, prescription is lost. We have all the information in the DNA chip in your body. So what we are going to do is unravel this.
Kairao MLA Laurembam Rameshwar has categorically stated that the BJP-led government in the state will not remain a mute spectator to any issues relating to the integrity of the state and many other issues concerning the state. He asserted that the government will soon let the people know its stand. The MLA was speaking at the 20th Rising Day event of Universal Friendship Organization Sajjal Academy, Top Khongnang Makhong branch today. The event was held at Yaral Konjan, Imphal East. Speaking further, the MLA appealed the people of the state to be broad-minded Rameshwar said, "It is time everyone contributed to the welfare of the state rather than criticizing one another."
Lebak ki makta de apai ki phang kon dun ki le ro apai yam tai tan wari chana jai athu matam da apai government gi kari phel long ha ba jai yam thuna apai sem gi site ki har kan ha ba jai thajab lai to to na khane ba ngasai gi yellow mi kam ne matang da ati hujing naga gi shu gi matang da yam toy na apai government jadum nai nei ba ana miyaw apai mai ki su government le ro मैं आप सोई तौने खले ngसाई बाउंडरी पे मतंग दा दि मिटोप संग मतंग दा सिंग मतंग दा कोई याम कुमना दम am toi toi na कोई नुमिदां हाइतारे नुमिदां पुंग तौ तौ हेक मतुंग दगी कोई सेम बंग रो दा कोई दम toi ताना जायो अदु लेबा की इंटरेस्ट दा गी मायोक दा कोई थोक तो हबसिमा कोई मैम याम थाजबियो.
Taking part in the celebration, JCILP's convener Arjun Telhaiba asserted that protests demanding the implementation of ILP bill has not stopped. He said new plans are being chalked out. A public meeting will be held in the first week of next month with the participation of leaders of all communities in the state. The resolution of the meeting will be submitted to the government. Further actions will depend on the decision of the government.
Singmi tammi anigi marakta khenaba leitaba yanaba amana somasu kaita makhalgi bilama puthokani ahanbada wari sanagrakanda pau phauna khini hairama yam toina haibi khibane ado moi government gi maike de madu sanction ba yu udabdo tawi madung da sanction libra sanction ra haibu su khangde media da kai yauk tabanina ai tumin le jobo mali ado government haibu su government ne ai khoi gi sanction libani na November ki tarik tara phogi manung da koi miyam da lok thukchara ke ado numitu do resolution ma lawra kanda resolution ki matungina government da koi pishal laga hayeng da ki di horen da ki di government 6 steps low with ragadi yellow mi kan bi ho sa ako choi da ma ki smai step lawra ni ha do me punna da wale nominara si.
Government of Manipur and Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee STDC Manipur, who has been demanding inclusion of Meitei in the Scheduled Tribe list, held a meeting today. The 2-hour meeting was held at the office of Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar in New Secretariat around 4 this evening. During the meeting, STDC urged the government of Manipur to take an absolute stand on the matter and pressurize the central government. Representing government of Manipur at the meeting, Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar and Works Minister Thongam Biswajit demanded STDC to present the challenges regarding the inclusion of Meitei in the Scheduled Tribe list. Speaking at the sidelines of the meeting, General Secretary of STDC Laishram Lokendra said the outcome of the meeting was positive and they will have further meetings regarding the matter.
Adu laiba results positive atmosphere amdi leire aduga makha tabadi adum khoisina round of talks tum lakhini series of talks lakhini ja khoi anticipate tawi aduga sina aho bani haibani matam chana tawba tawda ba khoi makha taba khanaraga adugu wadu mong progress tawraga mong tawgini haibani horen ma hi mak tawbagi wadi huji ke una khanaba leitri issue se government na Manipur da aruba issue le resi mo ne accept tawre athu bai se mo jo harakani ko jangjen ga yangi thuna phangune adu matam makte ko haiba matam de ko lemedri.
Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur DESAM has come down heavily against the naming of 5th male hostel of Manipur University, which will be inaugurated tomorrow as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. They are demanding the hostel to be named after one of the deceased renowned personality of the state. Speaking to media persons at their office in Sagolban, Moirang today, DESAM Secretary Namirakpam Edison maintained that DESAM has been remembering the great personalities of Manipur since its inception. He questioned the rationale behind the naming of a hostel after an outsider. Edison further appealed the Navodaya schools of the state to stop naming the houses after outsiders and name them after renowned personalities of the state and help promote the state.
Manipur University authority na karigidamak lamdam sigi leijariba national heroes mayama international figure mayama kauthoaga Manipur ga sakta chuda londa haurak phamda karigo makhalamda gi mari leinadaba nupa amagi maming thonbagi nungeba wahan thoksi karino hari wahang se hangbagolana hostel sigi maming se kogi lamdam siga chanaba mawongda thongadabani haiba desam gi maikai degi thame Manipur le riba tongan ba public place maya amasu mari leinaba authority sina yari makai di Manipur ga chanaba aikoi ga sagonaba adugumba maming sing thonbiu Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose ki maming da thonanu honarak pasta mahiro mi amna haunaru bunaidana hauraktana thonba yaro haidana masigi nameplate thugai gi bagi report thengnare.
A Chinese hand grenade was found at the National Institute of Technology, Langol, this afternoon. Upon receiving news, top officers of Lamphel police station inspected the site. State bomb squad team later arrived at the spot and defused the bomb at a safe location in Lamphel. The bomb was found hanging at the door of conference hall at Academic Block 1 by the students. A powerful remote-controlled IED was found at the gate of Abdul Qudus, a postal assistant at Kaikhu Muslim Makhalekai Post Office under Purampat Police Station jurisdiction today. Family members found the bomb around 6:30 this morning. It weighs about 2.5 kgs, including the TNT explosive, one circuit board, one electric detonator, a 12-volt battery, an iron ball and other splinters. Upon receiving news, Manipur police officers inspected the site and a bomb squad was also called in. The bomb was defused around 11:35 this morning by the hillocks of Naharub Makha Ayokpa Wakha. Abdul Qudus's younger brother Muhammad Abdul Halim said there has neither been a monetary demand by any organization nor threats. Halim condemned the act of planting a bomb in a crowded place.
Ngasi aikoi gi yumda gate ngasi remote control IED bomb ama thambirambasi aikoi da kaigumpa information ama phobol leiti threat ama phobso leiti khangkhangudana sumaina mayamda yamna langtaknaba yamna nungaitaba amade aikoi gi lekai sida leiminariba mi khudingmakta yamna nungaitaba thoktok ama thoknanabagi damakta sinbirami basi tasengna aikoi gi maikei tagi yam nungaijati karigumba wari sananingba natraga karigumba apamba leibitaraga laga isam chamna dum wari fajana saminabada kaisu kaiba leite matam khudingmakta thong launa hangjari.
Later, residents and Mairapaibis of the locality staged a sit-in against planting of the bomb. Various placards were displayed at the sit-in. Taking part in the sit-in, Qudus's mother questioned the fault of her son and sought for a proper dialogue to bring understanding between them. Another woman protester condemned the planting of a bomb in a residential area, which terrified the residents and appealed to not repeat such acts in the future.
Lat dem tawdana sian ga dai tawr sikari kino ai chahi maran sikari no athubada haibiro sanga ga loina wari chana bi abo ngakta sumaina tawbsi yam nungai jade asengba oiraga di thokpiro adogo wari chana jasi
ngasi lekai sida leiba miyam marak sida bom thambire base kari maral leibagino masi sengdokpiro atu matamda miyam marak sida bom thambase mangoda ngakpiba yaba maral leirgana ngakpiyo.
Water levels across rivers in Imphal have receded after the rain stopped in the last couple of days, coupled with the opening of 4 Ithai barrage gates. However, slow receding of water at Komba River is still causing inconveniences to the people living on either sides of the river due to the man-made flood-like situation prevailing on both sides of the riverbanks. Improper drainages have caused artificial flood. Residents of Wangkai Angomlekai and many areas in Khetrigao constituency are still facing inconveniences caused by the flash flood. Many houses in Wangkai Angomlekai are still inundated by flood waters. The locality has witnessed 10 floods, including the recent one this year. So far, there are no apprehensions of heavy rainfall in the entire northeastern states, including Manipur, as per the satellite images released by Indian Meteorological Department. About 70 feet of Imphal River bank near SK Cinema Hall, Soibam Makha in Uchiwa Wangma and the Thobal district has breached. About 6 houses have been swept away due to the breach around 7:30 last night. Many paddy fields and houses have been submerged underwater. People have drawn the attention of relevant authorities to the inconveniences faced by them. Meanwhile, a team of Thobal district administration officials led by SDO Thobal Dr. Mayangbam Veto visited the eroded portion of Imphal River at Uchiwa Wangma Soibamlekai. Steps for assessment of affected households for distribution of relief items has been completed under the direct supervision of L. Nabakishore Singh, IAS Deputy Commissioner Thobal. Necessary relief measures had been planned by the district administration Thobal for distribution of relief assistances to the affected families. Shiv Sena Manipur State has said they will pressurize the leaders of central government in connection with the peace talk held on October 23rd between NSNIM and Government of India, including interlocutor R.N. Ravi and representatives of 6 organizations of Nagaland behind closed doors. The 11th edition of the Indo-Myanmar RBC meet is scheduled from 25th to 29th October at the Mantripukri Assam Rifles headquarters and will see an active participation of both the Indian and Myanmar delegations. The Indo-Myanmar RBC meet is a biannual landmark event which provides opportunities for representatives of security forces and civil establishment of both nations to discuss and resolve crucial issues. The Department of Tribal Affairs and Hills Manipur invites applications for pre-metric and post-metric scholarship from the eligible scheduled tribes students pursuing pre-metric or post-metric courses in any government recognized institutions in India for the academic session 2017-2018. Application forms may be downloaded from www.tahmanipur.gov.in or www.manipur.gov.in. Last date for submission of the application forms is December 20th. Monitoring Cell of College Students Union Election 2017-18 Manipur, MSU, MSF, KSA and SUK is appealed for cooperation in ensuring a free and fair election in the upcoming College Students Union election to be held on October 30th. And it's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while with more news updates. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. This is Impact News and you're watching Prime Time English News with me, Priyobarta. And in further news, Manipur Student Association Delhi Masad has condemned the organization of Thabal Chomba in Delhi by few organizations for monetary gains. In a press release, Masad said they are not related to Machu, who recently organized Thabal. A team led by Additional Chief Secretary Agriculture Suhail Akhtar and Director of Agriculture Department P.H. Rajendra today inspected the Tampa rice plantation for organic black aromatic rice and seed production as a cluster demonstration under the National Food Security Mission. The team inspected the plantation of black aromatic rice at the 8-hectare land in Pangai Sainik School under the Mission Organic Value Chain Development for NE region. They later inspected the Tampa rice production at the 10-hectare area in Nombram Ngamukhong. Additional Chief Secretary Suhail Akhtar asserted that the farmers producing large quantities of black aromatic rice, also known as chakhao, will improve their economy. The Prime Minister of India targets to improve the economy of farmers by 2022.
ब्लैक राइस जो चखाओ उसका खेती हमारे लिए सारे किसानों के लिए बहुत अच्छा इनकम बढ़ाने का एक तरीका हो सकता है, क्योंकि अभी ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर का ये फोकस है कि 2022 तक हम लोग किसानों की आमदनी दुगनी कर सकें। अब दुगनी करने के लिए ज़रूरी यह है कि एक तो जो खेती की नई तकनीक है उसको हम लोग अपनाएं। तो जो SRI मेथड है राइस के लिए वो हम लोग यहाँ पे डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन कर रहे हैं।
Agriculture Director P.H. Rajendra said there is a huge problem of marketing the products of the farmers. He appealed the farmers to not be disappointed as the department is working hard towards creating a market policy. There is a variation in the produce of the state. Due to flash floods that occurred thrice this year, the produce may be lower this year. Rajendra said there is a target of planting chakhao rice in 4 valley districts at 500 hectares of land each within 3 years. He appealed the farmers to promote the chakhao rice to improve the economy.
Pari sing ani sida da puto sa hause ko international market phangan gani haibe ge du ma khoi commitment am khak lai an sa hause thar ga di ko soidana farmers income double oi gani haibe se masi thaja ba jing makha da khoi ngasi si yeng bolak sabani maram aduna farmers na interest lobi ra kan da mathang sahi de gi di sa hause yari gai thabiu aduga yon bagi aduga lei bagi policy ma khoi department yam kana hona jar kan da khoi longmi gi farmers club sing gi matam matang goi ba khoi mi pham pang tho matung dai khoi amya da khang jar kani.
The computerized Jamabandi Pata for Chalo Khul can be collected from the DC Imphal East office on October 27th between 11 AM to 3 PM. Tomthin Event Management and Solution Services will organize the first ever reality-based beauty pageant titled The Manipur Calendar Girl in Manipur. The first audition for the beauty pageant on the theme Beauty with a Purpose will be held at Thobal on October 26th. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Managing Director of Tomthin Event Management and Solution Services located in Wahingbam Likai, R.K. Rubin said 2 contestants each will be selected after auditions from 12 different places in Manipur, namely Imphal West, Imphal East, Bishnupur, Thobal, Churchandpur, Moirang, Kakching, Tamenglong, Senapati, Chandel, Ukhrul and Maram, and they will participate in the beauty contest. The event will be divided into 3 segments including boot camp, games and sports, talent hunt, show promotion, program punctuality and media interaction. Rubin opined that the beauty pageant will strengthen the bond between different communities living in the state.
Tomthin china tizare se a beauty with a purpose a personality who can inspire people. Just sakki phajaba maitongi phajaba kitang dana taba a personality yung mamchang bada mi bu inspire to ngamba mi wanda inspiration pi ngamba akhoi bu lead to ngamba a leader haitare women empowerment sigum balai ba character ma thijabri beauty with a purpose haisina akhoi gi main objective ne akhoi ngasi sinjari ba Manipur calendar ga 2017-18 in the first season ne sidagi akhoi matang gi program haibu calendar hoina annually event hoina tawjage khanjari.
District Handlooms and Textile Office Imphal East organized a one-day awareness program on handloom and handicraft delivery scheme and mudra scheme at UPAM Community Hall at Kamgai Mayalikai in Imphal East District today. The program was sponsored by Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles Manipur. Kairao MLA Lorimbam Rameshwar, Project Manager of District Handlooms and Textile Imphal East P. Meena Kumari, District Manager of UBI Imphal East in Ukhrul Saikai Shinshit and Pradhan of Kamgai GP Kojam Manishana were among those present on the occasion. Saikai Shinshit spoke in detail about Mudra loan and further emphasized the need to cultivate the habit of repaying the loans. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Lorimbam Rameshwar said there are many women weavers in his constituency. He said the awareness program was held with the objective of reducing the inconveniences faced by these women weavers when it comes to obtaining and repayment of loans in private banks and other microfinance providers.
अखोई प्राइवेट बैंक पैसा पुरम मैम दो अदुगी अवाब को कांदा मसान मसाब कोई कई सेंटोक लंबी लेजनोगी कितन कोई केने वर्कर्स सेंगत चगे ना हाइबा पानम सिनजाबने पैसा बिजिन हाजनिंग बामना कोई सेल फीजिंग कोई सान साजब यखम फीजे सीमा सेट पे कनो जिम हाइनम थमजनिंग अदुगा सिनजाक त जो कोई साइ लोकल साबा कोई अचार बो ओइरो बेकरी आइटम बो ओइरो मणिपुर पोथोसिंग जे सिनर कांदा कोई सान हिसाब इकोनॉमी कनो जे सेंगन नबे कनो जे वाखलोन जिदा हाई मुदा लोन की मतेंग जिना सि वइनिंग पानम तोंजबने प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी गोइबा कोई विजन जो हाउसिंग फॉर ऑल नचिंग मसिग मुदा लोन की मखादा लाइरबसिंग मतेंग पांगला कांदा कोई मियांग मिमानबा मियो मोय होनबदा मतेंग पांगनिंग वाखलोन ngasi कोई कराओके नगि लेबा नुपिजिंग याना कोई हाई प्रोग्राम सिनजबने
8-day training program on integrated farming system for sustainable hill agriculture, an option for climate smart agriculture and natural resource management for farmers, was launched at ICAR Research Complex Lamphilpha today. Speaking on the occasion, Additional Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur, Dr. Suhail Akhtar, highlighted the significance of joint responsibilities between concerned departments of the government and agricultural institutions in order to double the economic viability of the farmers. He further said, the Government of India envisions to double the farmers' income by 2022. He asserted that it becomes inevitable to provide proper trainings as well as subsidized equipments and materials to farmers to achieve the vision. Dr. Suhail Akhtar also highlighted the negative consequences of jhum cultivation and said it is high time farmers are given proper training regarding the harm on our environment and other negative impacts of jhum cultivation, which are widely practiced in the hilly regions. Director of ICAR Research Complex for Northeast Region, Meghalaya, Additional Director of Agriculture Department and farmers took part in the training program. Many scientists and resource persons will speak at the training program, which will continue till October 31st.
And we all want that our farmer brothers and sisters should come out of the poverty and a life of what you call drudgery. But for that, a combined effort is needed. And that effort has to be given by institutions such as ICAR, Central Agricultural Universities and state governments.
Mayanglambam Babu Singh Memorial Trust observed the annual death anniversary of former Minister Mayanglambam Babu at Kakching Kunau today. Secretary of Mayanglambam Babu Singh Memorial Trust, Kumukcham Sanayama, retired Headmaster of Kakching Kunau, Cheksupad High School, Kumukcham Achoba Singh, Kaching Kuno, former member of Ward number 7 of Municipal Council, Manglambam Iboyama, and many others attended the event. Lions Club of Thoubal, Leo Club of Thoubal, and Thoubal Municipal Council jointly organized the United Nations Day in Thoubal today. A rally was also taken out to spread the message of Let's Save River, Water is Life from Thoubal Mela Ground to Wangmataba Devi Mantop. Former Minister Dr. Moirangthem Nara, club and council members and students from various schools of the district took part in the rally. Various placards were displayed at the rally.
Nations Day haidana lebaki mafam khudimakta observe tamnari ekhoi damakta miyamda ngasigi numit asida ekhoina turel ga mari leinaba afaba ising phangnaba kannaba mangandanaba ekhoi gi lakadauba ekhoi gi charol surul da numai honaba adu mafam ma miyamda ningsingsi haidana observe tobjebani.
District Office of Handloom and Textiles Thoubal organized an awareness program on handloom and handicraft delivery scheme and mudra scheme, which are meant for improving the financial conditions of the weavers of Manipur at Kekman Mayalekai Community Hall in Thoubal district today. Many weavers took part in the program, where resource persons spoke on 2 schemes in detail. Two-day Eastern Regional Writers' Meet organized by Sahitya Academy and Ashangba Communication kicked off at Lamyan Bashanglen Palace compound today. Officer in charge of Sahitya Academy, Kolkata, Gautam Paul, convener of Sahitya Academy Eastern Regional Board, Gangadhar Hansda, renowned theatre artist and Manipuri writer Ratan Thiam, convener of Sahitya Academy Manipur Advisory Board H. Bihari, and coordinator of Ashangbam Communication A.C. Netrizet were present on the first day today. 8 renowned writers of different languages like Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, Nepali, Manipuri, Maithili, Santali, Odia will take part in the meet. Speaking on the occasion, renowned theatre artist and Manipuri writer Ratan Thiam lauded the efforts of writers of the state who have been sacrificing for the state and highlighted the significance of writings in our society.
Writing for writers is an indispensable fuel which is being injected with his philosophies and ideas while he is writing, and this injection has to carry on till the end of his life. So it is very indispensable. The quality of writing means the understanding of humanity, humankind, the understanding of spirituality.
All Manipur Women Voluntary Association Amavowa observed its 28th Foundation Day at Manipur Press Club today. Representatives of various civil society organizations, Amavowa members and many women attended the celebration. Speakers at the event maintained that women have played a role in fighting crime and protecting the integrity of the state. In a place like Manipur, where women receive utmost respect, outside influence has brought about a change in the state, resulting in unwanted turn of events. People of the state, including families, are facing inconveniences due to the change brought in the society through external forces. They emphasized the role of not only women of the state, but also the people of the society to fight the change.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯋꯥꯊꯣꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟꯅ ꯂꯧꯅꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯁꯣꯜꯕ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯇꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯁꯦ ꯐꯠꯇꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯃꯥꯖ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯃꯥꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯁꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯗ ꯁꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯨꯞꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯁꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯅꯤꯗꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯅꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯁꯃꯥꯖ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ.
Building Construction Workers Welfare Union Khonghampat GP and Loitang Lekinthabi area observed its third foundation day today. Floral tributes were paid to the portraits of the deceased members of the union on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Labour Commissioner E. Tomba maintained that there are many benefits for the family members of the labourers. He said the workers' union have been set up in all 60 assembly constituencies of the state and appealed the labourers to take the benefits.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯣꯔꯗꯁꯤ Simi construction workers jingi board ni lady by koi na construction workers jingi survey ni juga Manipur le ba mi manga dara khagga laga construction is building other construction workers welfare board ki thabak forum du paithal la bedani board si ekoi gi nate jade le ba paisa jingi ekoi gi nate construction workers register toraba beneficiary workers jingi ni.
Even as Manipur takes pride in giving the game of polo to the world, the fate of Manipuri pony, which is an integral part of the polo game, is still left undecided. Though the state government has formulated various policies to preserve and protect the pony, there are no actions on the ground. Many ponies are seen on the roads, surviving on the roadside garbages. The question is, can we preserve and protect this indigenous pony? Impact News brings you a report.
Pony lodi ba kangbu jana sagon pa mi hai de na mapu nai dob dong na to ba se akoi pen da ba ma lai aduna pony loi ba sing de isin nau sing da pony bu nuk si bi ra ga de ma se sango nai nan loi bu sa adoga saraka na so ma khoi gi namuk ta honna da mateng pang bi
lambi da sagon amadi sanna chingba thado ga thamba chaliba praja singda akai ba pi ba misi mina thokpa accident thokpa gari macha thoba auto na chingba thoba to matamda Kudong Tininga Lambi Tabakse, Marie Lenava Bivak, Sarkar Gilusang Singna, Masi Matamjana Sek Taureraga, Sasan Sing Sibuju Pajan Mireraga, Mapu Tireraga, Kara Makai Makoida, punishment and DPBD, Hianakana Boegani.
And in some sports news, the inaugural function for the 33rd N. Hazari and Dr. N. Tombi State Polo Tournament 2017, which was scheduled on October 25th, has been postponed to October 28th due to unavoidable circumstances. Sai SAG Utlau and UKB Churchanpur defeat their rivals in the 22nd Men's Thangjam Birachandra and Maipakpi Memorial Winners' Cup today. In the third match of the tournament played today at Sai Takil Ground, Sai SAG Utlau beat NC Club Khongampat 1-0. In the fourth match played at Kolmun Playground Churchanpur, UKB Churchanpur beat Huso Senapati 1-0. 11 winners of the Super League from various districts of the state are taking part in the tournament held under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association. The teams will play 2 home and 2 away matches. 2 further matches will be played on the 26th of this month. President of All Manipur Chaibi Association in a press release has notified that a general body meeting will be held to elect its executive members at Misikhol Changlane in Khurai Konsum Lekai on November 1st around 7 in the morning. All members of the association are to be present without fail at the meeting. Japan will host the 9th Asia Cup Women's Hockey from October 28th to November 5th this year. 8 Asian countries are taking part in the Hockey Cup, which will be held at Japan's city Kakamigahara, Kifu. India, China, Malaysia and Singapore are in Pool A, while host Japan, Kazakhstan, South Korea and Thailand are in Pool B. Indian team comprises of goalkeepers Savita and Rajani Elimarpu, Manipur's Pukramam Sushila Chanu and Thaudam Sumandevi, Gurjit Kaur, Deep Grace Eka and Sunita Lakra as defenders, Nikki Pradhan, Monica, Lilima Mins, Namita Topo and Neha Goyal as midfielders, and team captain Rani, Vandana Kataria, Larim Shyam, Sonika, Navnit Kaur and Navjot Kaur as forwards. Harendra Singh is the head coach. India faced Singapore in the first match on October 28th. And before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Genome India project in Northeast India launched at the Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development, Takil. Herao MLA Lorembam Rameshwar categorically states that the BJP-led government in the state will not remain as mute spectator to any issues relating to the integrity of the state. JCIL appears to hold public convention in the first week of next month with the participation of leaders of all communities in the state. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee holds a 2-hour-long meeting with the state government on the inclusion of Meitei in the Scheduled Tribe list. It demands the government to make a clear stand. And Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur comes down heavily against the naming of Manipur University Hostel after Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.